Today we're going to look at Google Sites ePortfolio templates and how you can customize those. First, navigate to the Facilitator Resources and scroll down to the section called Assessment. You'll find a title called ePortfolio Website Templates. Although this page will look different later, you're looking for these different template options: presentations only, 7-day, 10-day. Choose the one that is most appropriate for your students and how your lab is structured. This is a template now that you can use. You'll see that because it has the Use Template button in the top right corner. So if you click on it, you can create your own copy. Name it whatever you would like your students to see it as. After you come up with a name for your site, you can also edit the URL that they will use. It's totally fine to leave it as the regular generated one, but you can customize it if you'd like. You can also customize the theme if you would like to change it to match your class colors or school colors. Then you'll have to do the CAPTCHA requirements. Make sure you verify, and then click the reddish-orange Create button in the top part of the screen. You now have a copy of the template that you can edit yourself. You can edit any of these pages by clicking on the pencil in the top right corner of the screen and then making any changes. You can also add and delete pages, link different files that you want to relate or have your students use. It's all customizable for you. You'll have to make sure you save each page before navigating to the next one. There's a lot of features underneath the gear icon, like copying pages, moving pages, deleting, also saving a page as a page template. Once you've customized your template, you can then go to Sharing and Permissions. This will allow you to publish your page as a template. So click on General and scroll down until you see Publish this site as a template. This will then allow your customized site to be used as a template for your students so they can create a copy of it. Come up with a name for the template. You may want to come up with a description as well that explains to your students how they're going to be using the template to support their learning. Once you finish your description, you will then select a category for what kind of template this is, and then hit Submit in the top left corner of the screen. Your Google Sites that you've customized for exactly what you want your students to be accountable for while they're in the Smart Lab is now ready to be used as a template. To share this template, you want to go back to the Sharing and Permissions homepage. Copy the link that's there for you to share and paste it into Google Classroom or however you share that information with your students. As you can see, when I now navigate to this custom Google Sites, it has the Use Template button up in the corner. If you ever need to navigate back to your site, you'll want to go to sites.google.com. It's going to bring you to the current version of Sites. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the 3 lines in the top left corner and select Classic Sites. This will then load all of your sites that were created in Google Sites Classic. Once it loads, you'll be able to see my custom site is there in the list of Google Sites. You can then open it, edit, share it however you would like.